Good morning to one and all. I am Purna Prakash, Assistant Professor of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Akshaya College of Engineering Technology, Coimbatore. My subject is AD3391, Database Design and Management. Now I am going to tell about database system environment. First of all, I am tell about what is database. A database management system is a collection of interrelated data and various programs that are used to handle the data. The primary goal of DBMS is to provide a way to store and retrieve the required information from the database in convenient and efficient manner. Define the structure for storage information, provide mechanism for manipulation and information. In addition, the database system must ensure safety information stored. Now I am going to tell about characteristics of database system. Representation of some aspects of real world application, systematic management of information, representing the data by multiple views, effective and easy implementation of various operations such as insertion, deletion and updation. It maintains data for some specific purpose. It represents logical relationship between records and data. Database system application. Accounting. A database system are used to maintaining information of employees' salaries and payroll taxes. Manufacturing. For management of supply chain and tracking production of items in factories, database systems are maintained. For maintaining customer product and purchase information, the database are used. For maintaining customer product purchase information, database are used. Banking. In banking sector, for customer information, accounting and loan, for performing banking application of DBMS is used. In universities, database systems are used for maintaining student information, course registration and accounting. In reservation system such as airline, railway, database is used to maintain reservation and schedule their information. Telecommunication. In telecommunication, for keeping their records of calls and generating monthly bills, maintaining balance on prepaid calling cards and storing information about communication network, the database systems are used. Traditional file-based system. In earlier, database systems are created in response to manage the commercial data. This data is typically stored in files to allow users manipulate these files of various programs are written for addition of new data, updating and deleting the data. Now I am going to tell about database system environment. Database system environment refers to organization of component that define regulation that collection, storage, management, use of data with the environment. Database system environment can be divided into five main types: hardware, software, people, procedure and data. Hardware is defined as to identify all the system of physical devices. Computer is the main and the most easily identified hardware component of the database system environment. Software. Software refers to the collection of program used by computer with the database system. There are three main software such as operating system software, DBMS software, application program and utilities. Operating system software. Operating system software manage all hardware component and makes it possible all other software to run on computer. Example, DOS, disk operating system. DBMS software manage their database within system. Some examples of DBMS software include Microsoft Access, SQL Server, Oracle Corporation. Application program and utilities. It is used to access and manipulate the data in DBMS to manage the computer environment in which data access manipulation takes place. Database system environment. Application programs are most commonly used to access data found within the database to generate reports, tabulation, and other information to facilitate decision making. People. The component include all users of database system. Database system environment is identifying 5 types of user in database: system administrator, database designer, system analyst, and programmers. Finally, end users. System administrators oversees the database system general operation. Database environment, also known as DBA, to manage DBMS is used and ensure that the database is functioning properly. Database designer design the database structure. They are in effect database architecture. System analyst and the programmer design and implement their application program. They design and create the data entry screen, reports, and a procedure through which end user access and manipulate database data. End users are the people who use the application program to run the organization's daily operation. Procedures are the instructions and rules that govern the design and the use of database system. Procedures are critical. It plays an important role in a company because they enforce the standard by which business is conducted within organization and end with their customers. Data. The word data covers collection of fact stored in the database because raw material form which information is generated. This is a database system environment. Now I am going to tell about advantages of database to improve data sharing and accessibility, such as database allow multiple users and applications to access and use data simultaneously. Example, in a bank, customer data is accessible to tellers, online banking, and the customer service system in real time. Data integrity and accuracy. Database enforce data integrity, ensure only valid data is stored. E-commerce platform rely on accurate inventory data to prevent overselling items that are out of stock. Disadvantages: cost of implementation and maintenance. Database, especially in large one, to require substantial setup, licensing hardware and maintenance cost. Example, multinational company needs high-end server, software license and skilled staff to manage in database systems. Potential for database corruption. If system fail or poorly managed, data can become private, risking in data integrity. Here on airline booking, system could experience data corruption, serve fail, potentially passenger entry. Okay, that's all about database environment. Thank you.